Welcome to Lesson 7B, your first ASP.NET MVC web application. In this lesson, you learn how to develop your first web application using the ASP.NET MVC framework. To create the sample ASP.NET MVC application, after you select New Project, select the ASP.NET MVC2 Web Application template and click the OK button. That's all there is to it. Now, if you review the Solution Explorer, you can see all of the folders and files that are created as part of the sample application. The unique folders are the Controllers folder, the Models folder, and the Views folder. Each MVC page is actually comprised of three components: the view, the controller, and the model. The views are in the Views folder, the controllers are in the Controllers folder, and the models are in the Models folder. In this lesson, you create your first ASP.NET MVC web application. There are no lesson requirements, and the hint for this lesson is to use the F5 button to start the application in debug mode. To get started with this lesson, select New Project, ASP.NET MVC2 Web Application Template, and enter Lesson 7B for the name of the application and click the OK button. This is the sample MVC2 web application. As you can see, there are controllers, views, and models. This is the view for the About Us page. This is the home controller that is used by the About page. This is the About action method of the home controller. As you may have noticed, the About page is within the Home subfolder of the Views folder. Click the F5 button to start the application in debug mode. This is the home page. By using the tabs, you can go between the About Us page and the home page. Also, you can click the login link to open the logon page. You notice that there is validation already working on the page, and by clicking the register link, you'll open the registration page.